Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. So today, for the molds that were suggested in the comments yesterday from the Resin Molds box, were the panda and the hen. So today we're going to do those in polyurethane. And the reason why is because they have lots of little colors on them, colors that I want to add to them, but because I have something I need to introduce to y'all today, that's how we're going to get that color added to them. So without further ado, we're going to mix the polyurethane up, and between the two molds, according to the paper, they take 7.4 ounces, the combo of the two. So I'm going to mix up 8 ounces, and just to have an extra mold here. Where's that little extra? So we'll put this one out here, and this one says spring in case we need an extra mold. All right, so today we're going to use the CRAFTOR polyurethane. And while I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys something I forgot to tell you yesterday about giveaways. So for my channel members, because, I haven't really focused on that. And I told you guys, I think last month, that I was going to start focusing on my channel members because, I'm starting to collect a few now. And you guys deserve to have something special because, the fact is that you're paying for that. And so you deserve to have a little extra. So, what I'm going to do every month is, these boxes that I get from this Resin Molds Express or Resin Mold Box, however you want to say it. God, I can't get this off. Once I am done with the box, I am cleaning the molds up, putting them back in the box with their little pamphlet thingy, and I'm going to give those away to my channel members. So if you're interested in getting that box, then I will be giving those away every month. And the reason I'm doing that is because, guys, I've been doing this now for almost 4 years. I have so many molds, and I don't really need any more molds. And so I thought, what a better way to share than to give these molds away and to my channel members. So yeah, so there you have it. You guys are going to get to have the opportunity to have that whole box, and I'm going to give it away to you. Okay, so 8 ounces. Make sure I don't have any dust in there. And right now I have February's box, February and I think January's boxes put back together, cleaned up and put back together. So I may be getting those ready for y'all here. So lots and lots of giveaways coming up. So there's B. Whoops. And there's A. Starting to get warm. Okay. Just a tiny bit. And there you have it. All right. We will be back when these are ready to take out. Okay. All right. BRB. Okay. Well, let's get these out of here and see what they look like. This one's really soft and squishy, so it shouldn't be hard to get out of here at all. See how easy that was? That was easy. Sits like that. Huh? That's cute. So we're going to do something with that. Now, let's get this one out of here. Shouldn't be hard either. And Mother Hen, Miss Mother Hen. That is so cute. Got a little bubble right there. It's the only place. That's cute. So there's that. Okay. So what we're going to look at today is this company has been very gracious to me. I started representing their products as the only resin artist out here representing them, and then I started getting them giving them other creators' names so that, you know, that we could all be representing them. And so they have added quite a few of other artists on board, and everybody just fell in love with these. And so I know there's quite a few of you other artists out there that are representing this company as well. And I was glad when they reached out to me again, because for a while they were getting new items all the time, and so there hasn't been any for a while. And so now they have a new set out, and this is the Arctics markers, and they're really good markers. I've got every set that they have, and so whenever you guys see me pull out, you know, these are the Arctics markers, and I really like them. They're great. And what's the best about them is that you can paint right over a color, and you don't have to wait really literally for it to be 100% dry. And they're acrylic markers, and they dry very quickly. They are permanent, and you don't have to worry about them sloughing off, you know, like I was having issues with another brand doing that. So these are water-based. They have a brush tip. They're bright. They are opaque. And you can use them literally on just about any surface. And so this is their new 90 color set. And they've got several different sets. So these are just a brush tip, and you don't need to prime them. You don't need to do anything with them. They're just straight out of the box. And when my rep emailed me, she said that these colors were more along the lines of like garden spring type colors. And I know that they do their boxes in themes. And so that's basically, you know, like what these are. So there's going to be greens and pinks and purples and yellows and, you know, that sort of thing, because it's more of a spring-based color. So, but yes, they all have they've changed the way they've done these now, because before they never had the numbers on the markers themselves. And so you would have to literally, you know, go and try to match, you know, the markers. But now they have them on the bottom of all of their markers, which is an excellent move, because that's so much easier, you know, to find them. And they give you stickers. I'm not sure where they're for or what they're for. Because I really don't see any place to put them. I guess maybe if you wanted to put them on the side, I guess you could, you know, if you like maybe on the lid, but they're on the bottom. So I guess if you wanted to put them like maybe on the lid so you don't lose your lid color, maybe. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. But it's on the bottom, and the bottom is the same color as the lid. So I wouldn't think you would lose your lid, but I don't know. But anyway, so they have them on stickers as well. So that's a plus as well. I mean, let me see if it'll fit on the lid. Let's try it. And they're pretty hardy stickers too. Turn it around like this. I mean, it'll go right there on the lid. So if you wanted to put them on the lid, you know, so that you don't lose your lid when you're doing this, you could do that. But it is on the bottom as well. And these are high adhesion markers. So they're great markers. I can't say enough good about them. You know, like I said, I've used them for a long time. I've got every set of them. One thing I wish they would come out with is more metallic markers. I do have their metallic set. It's a very small set, but I love their metallic markers as well. So yeah, so today we're going to break into these, and that's how we're going to decorate our little panda and our hen. So let's take a look here. So for the panda, we really need black, and black is number 98. And these, like I said, are the brush markers. And you don't need to press. You can just float over your surface And that will, because if when you press with your brush markers, it ruins the tip of your marker. So you don't need to do that. So a panda has black eyes, black ears, and black arms, black tail, and black legs. So that's what we're going to do with our Mr. Panda here. I think he has a black nose too. Yep, he does. So we're just going to go right in here. Color his little nose. Then I'll go back and I'll do another coat on those. They're so cute. Okay. I want to do something with this little container thingy he's holding. And I think I want to use, like, let's see what color this does. Yeah, something like that. And something like that, I think. Let's see if this color of green is good. Yeah. I'm just going to kind of go over it. Kind of sloppy, and then I want to add that other color in there because bamboo isn't always all green. Sometimes it's kind of a tannish color. Right there's that spot. I'm not sure. Is that going to chip off of there? Oh, it's silicone. Huh. Interesting. I was wondering why that was so soft. Oh, I'm sorry. Standing back up straight, y'all. It's so hard when you've been taught all your life to stand up straight. Then you have to slouch over. Oh, goodness. See how that color goes right over top that green? And it doesn't smudge or anything. And it's dry to the touch almost immediately. All right, I'm going to stick this in here and see if I can't color the inside of this. Good enough on the inside. All right, now I need to fix this flower here. Not liking that color. Can't they just do like a dark green, for goodness sakes? Oof, that's blue. Oh, I love that color. Let's see what it looks like on these leaves. I mean, it's blue, but it's pretty. Let's see what it looks like when it's dry. It should be closer to that color, this darker color. All right, let's go back and redo this black on some of these. And then this one will be done. Okay, there's that. I'll wait to do his eyes until all this dries on the outside. But there's that. So cute. All right. Now, I'll go ahead and do the hen off camera, and then I'll surprise you guys with that, because that we're sitting at, oh, I don't even know. I don't even know how long. So I will get the hen done, and then I'll come back, and then I'll even finish the eyes on that little guy. And yeah, all right, BRB. Okay, y'all. This one, did I have this one done already? I can't remember. So this one is done. Ain't he cute? And this one done as well. I did brush it with UV resin because I painted the whole thing. So of course it was left as a matte surface, and I liked it shiny. So basically what I did was I just colored all the colors, and then I went through and took a gold pen and highlighted all of the edges of the feathers, and then I just covered it with UV resin. What do you think? You like my hen? Ain't he cute? She. Hens are she's. Ain't she cute? Yeah. So there you have it, guys. There is my hen and my panda. Both of those were requested for today. So tomorrow is coasting through the week. So these will be put on pause, and we will work on something for coasting through the week. So yeah. All right, y'all. That is it for me today. I just love that panda. He's so cute. But yeah, I will figure out something for coasting through the week. Haven't figured out what I want to do yet. So y'all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow for coasting through the week. So remember, stay curious, stay creative, always stay positive and be kind, and we'll see you tomorrow for coasting through the week. Have a good one. Bye.